Port forwarding allows external devices to access services on your home network through your Spectrum router. This is achieved by directing incoming traffic from specific ports to designated internal devices. The My Spectrum app simplifies this process, providing a user-friendly interface for configuring Spectrum routers. To begin, download the My Spectrum app on your iOS or Android device and log in with your Spectrum account credentials. Navigate to the router settings, typically found under Services, then Router, and finally Advanced Settings. Ensure you enable advanced settings to access port forwarding options. This feature is crucial for various applications, such as online gaming, hosting web servers, or accessing security cameras remotely. Remember, improperly configured ports can expose your network to security risks, so exercise caution and only forward ports when necessary. Once in the advanced settings, you can add a new port forwarding rule. Specify the external and internal port numbers, the protocol TCP or UDP, and the internal IP address of the device you want to forward the port to. Save the rule and test it using an online port checker tool to verify its functionality. For enhanced security, use Spectrum's built-in features like IP reservation to assign static IPs to your devices, preventing IP conflicts. The app also includes port scan detection and alerts to warn you of potential vulnerabilities. Only forward necessary ports, and consider using a VPN for added security, especially when accessing sensitive services. Regularly audit your port forwarding rules and keep your router firmware updated to protect against the latest threats. Spectrum's app now supports two-factor authentication for remote management, adding an extra layer of security.